Hey guys, what's up? This is Christian from Emerald Hosting, and today I will be showing you how to install Votifier to your server, and also how to enable GAListener so you can have players vote for stuff. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is download Votifier to our server. So first you're going to want to go to plugins.bucket.org. Once you're there, search Votifier. Click the top result, and then click download. And you may need to click download a second time. Okay, now that this is done, it's time to upload Votifier to our server. I'll do this using the WinSCP client. If you are not sure how to connect to your server with FTP, please refer back to our other tutorial on how to do so. I'm just going to copy all the details. Alright, so once I'm in with FTP, I'll navigate to the plugins folder, and I'll go to my downloads folder. I'll find Votifier, this is the one I downloaded, and I'll drag it into my plugins folder. Alright, there's one other thing that we're going to need to do. So, go on Google and search GAListener. Now keep in mind, if you're advanced at Votifier, you may be wanting to use another listener. This is perfectly okay, but in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use Give Anything Listener, because I think it gives you the widest variety of options and it works the best. Alright, so click download. You'll probably need to click it a second time as usual. Alright, we're also going to upload this to our server using WinSCP. Now that this is done, I'm going to navigate to my server console and run the reload command. Once that's done, I will go back to WinSCP and run the refresh button. This should expose the Votifier and listener folders. Okay, so after this, we're going to quickly make some changes in the Votifier config. So go to your Votifier folder, go to config, and choose edit. I have my WinSCP set to edit files in Notepad++. You may need to change this. Alright, so everything in here is fine. Our host, the only thing we're going to want to change is our port. Host, you don't want to change, but port, since we are on a shared IP, this IP is shared with multiple servers. Someone is probably already using this default port. So what we're going to do is pick a random port instead. I'm going to choose 8195. I'll click save. Great. Now we're going to go to GAListener, and in the config.yml file, we will decide what players get for voting. You're going to want to scroll past all this green stuff and go straight to here. This right here is what the player will get when they vote. So, right now it's set to give each player 5 diamonds. Let's say I also want them to get $500 game cash in addition. I will add an additional line that looks just like this, but instead, I will put my pay command. And in here, I might add, and $500. Great. Now I'll click Save. Once this is done, I will once again run the reload command. Alright, great. At this point, everything is done. All we need to do is add it to our server list. I'll be using Planet Minecraft for this tutorial. You'll need to create an account on Planet Minecraft or whatever server list you will be using. In my case, I would be using Planet Minecraft, so I'll just go to Servers. I'm going to choose Upload New Server. Okay, for the title I'll put My Awesome Server. For the IP address, I will copy this from my console. I will copy the IP and port. I will quickly have to change the MOTD for verification reasons. This can be changed by going to Config Files, and then Server.Properties. Where it says Server Message, enter the random code that Planet Minecraft gives you. You may not need to do this if you're using another server list other than Planet Minecraft. Great. Once that's done, run the reload command. You can then go back to Planet Minecraft and push the Check My MOTD for the code button. Great. Now that it's verified, I will just fill in some other info. I'll just use the default banner. Planet Minecraft also makes you upload one image. Alright, once all that's filled in, here's the part we've been waiting for. How to enable Votifier. Check Enable Votifier. Alright, we're going to go back to our Votifier config to get some things. For the host, we will use this IP. For the port, this IP. And for the Votifier public key, we're going to go to RSA and public.key. I will then choose select all and copy it, and then paste it into here. You can quickly test if you've done everything right by doing test Votifier connection. Alright, now that this is done, I'll click save. Hold on, first I need to add some characters to here. Alright, now that this is up, I will connect to my server in-game to see if it works. I will need to copy my server IP just to connect to it in-game. Sorry about this slowness, guys. Alright, now I'm on. You can see GAListener is enabled by this message. Vote for us every day for in-game rewards and extras. Okay, now I'll go to Planet Minecraft, choose vote. I'll fill out this spam verification. And then I'll enter my Minecraft username and click cast my vote. Once that's done, I can go back to Minecraft and see that it says I voted at planetminecraft.com and received 5 diamonds and $500. As you can see here, I got the diamonds. Since I do not have Essentials installed, it did not give me the game cache, but if I installed Essentials, that part would work correctly. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and now you know how to install Votifier onto your server.